Another very common false assumption that people even in the cybersecurity industry hold on to is that you must have formal education. This usually means at a minimum an undergraduate or bachelor's degree. Formal education had a far greater significance in the days when information was scarce and tightly guarded by educational institutions. That is not the case today. Self-learning is a perfectly viable alternative and can yield far better returns than traditional academic learning. Even if you are working already in a different field, you can spend your spare time learning new skills. Would you rather waste 4 years of your fleeting life in a school setting than commit to learning all the required information yourself in just 3 years? Moreover, updating curricula and study programs is a time-consuming effort. So essentially, whatever you learn in the university is old information. On the contrary, by studying on your own, you can always have access to the latest developments and industry news. When you finally get hired, don't be surprised if over 90% of your colleagues hold a degree. Don't bother about it. Let your motivation and the quality of your work speak greater volumes than any university degree.